Have you ever clicked Create in Azure and wondered what's actually happening behind the scenes? Here's a service doing all the heavy lifting. Welcome back to AZ-900 Fundamentals in 60 seconds. So far, we've covered regions, availability zones, and resource groups. Today, we're talking about Azure Resource Manager, also known as ARM. Think of ARM as the management layer of Azure, right? Whenever you create a virtual machine, a storage account, a database, or any other sort of Azure resource, your request goes through Azure Resource Manager. ARM helps ensure resources deploy consistently and managed in a standardized way. It also allows you to organize resources into resource groups, apply permissions, and manage resources as a collection rather than one at a time. One of the biggest advantages of ARM is that you define your infrastructure using templates. Instead of manually creating resources one by one, you can deploy an entire environment using predefined configuration. Think of ARM like a construction manager. You provide the blueprint, and ARM coordinates the deployment of everything needed to build a solution. For the AZ-900 exam, remember this. Azure Resource Manager is the service that deploys, manages, and organizes Azure resources. Quick AZ-900 challenge again. If you create a virtual machine through the Azure portal, which Azure service processes that deployment request behind the scenes? Drop your answer in the comments and make sure you follow, because next is Azure Virtual Machines, where we'll cover one of the most commonly used compute services in Azure and a topic that appears throughout the AZ-900 exam.